Tuesday's gone and Thursday's on the way, which means it's Weird Question Wednesday. Hi and welcome. I'm Katie from Safewise, and today we're answering your weird questions on home safety, security, and smart home. We're wondering, can you install 2 home security systems in the same house? But before we answer, like and subscribe to Safewise here on YouTube. We come out with a new weird question every week, and we would love to hear yours. Drop it in the comments below, or find our social channels in that description and ask us there. All right, let's get into it. So there's a lot of answers to this question, but the shortest is yes. You can have 2 security systems in one home, but it's not really practical. Pro-monitored systems like Vivint, ADT, FrontPoint, SimpliSafe, and all the big dogs charge a monthly fee for professional monitoring. So you double the systems, you double the bills. And that's not even touching contracts. While we haven't seen it explicitly written out in the fine print, we wouldn't be surprised if any of these companies had issues with you having more than one system. Plus, running more than one home security system on one Wi-Fi network would be a huge bandwidth suck. All that said, there are ways to improve your existing home security system with third-party devices. Features like Alexa Guard can take the Amazon Echo you already have and turn it into a second, very basic home security system that listens for things like breaking glass or smoke alarms. And most home security systems work with third-party systems to make things work a little smarter. Locks, lights, plugs, and even garage door openers can work in tandem. And there's protocols like IFTTT, Zigbee, and Z-Wave that can automate all of these pieces around your house. So yes, you can have 2 home security systems at once, but it takes a lot of effort and it's probably not worth the trouble. We're guessing that if you do, you're going to be looking at a lot of monthly bills and a really confusing user experience. That said, we love the idea of covering your blind spots with third-party devices that make your home a little smarter and safer. Thanks for watching Weird Question Wednesday. That's it for us this week. Like and subscribe to catch the next Weird Question Wednesday, and don't forget to drop your own weird questions in the comments below. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest and ask your weird questions there. But for now, stay safe.